Lesson 2. The main features of Lighthouse. Lighthouse has a few key features that every Metaverse enthusiast should be aware of. For starters, you have the Friend Locator feature. Your friends can choose to opt in and share their location with you within the Metaverse worlds that they spend their time in. With these Metaverse worlds being indexed within Lighthouse, you are then able to know exactly where your friends are at any given point in time. This includes both the actual Metaverse that they're currently on, as well as the specific location within that world. This, in turn, will allow you to hop through the different Metaverses super quickly and find your friends with complete ease. No longer will you have to wander aimlessly and spend hours searching for your friends. Lighthouse makes this process hassle-free. Moving on, probably all crypto enthusiasts are familiar with the process of trying to keep track of all of the latest events taking place within the space. It can get quite cumbersome fast. Lighthouse offers a solution. Thanks to the featured spots and recommended events sections on the project's website, you'll be able to navigate through all of the trending Metaverse experiences with a breeze. Another awesome feature of Lighthouse is called Gates. A gate is essentially a user profile, your own personal area where you can showcase some of your own creations, pin your favorite Metaverse places, and spend time with your friends. This feature is quite notable. Gates allow you to interact with your favorite content without having to navigate and find it manually every single time. It can also serve as an addition to your general Web3 social profile, thanks to it having the ability to house some of your own creations. Lastly, it's no secret that the Metaverse space is filled with a myriad of amazing content creators and builders. People who create awe-inspiring artwork, NFTs, and spaces to explore in general. Perhaps you already have a favorite creator that you follow within the Web3 space. Well, whether that's the case or if you're still searching for builds that would speak to your heart, Lighthouse is already ahead of the curve and features the relevant functionality to help you interact with your favorite creators. Specifically, you'll be able to follow them, visit and interact with them in their spaces, and shortly even share some of the memories that you've made while enjoying their content as well.